Welcome back to Ladies Car Care. My name is Cindy Calderon, and today's video we're gonna talk about 5 important things that you need to know about your tires. Tires are very important, and we need to know all the details about the tires. Tires, all the information around the tire, all those letters, numbers that you see, they're very important to us to know. Fact number 1. We're going to talk about DOT, that it means Department of Transportation. That actually this means when your tire was made. You can find DOT around on the side of your tire, and the last 2 digits on the DOT, it tells you the year when your tire was made. This is very important because when you go to an auto shop on mechanic to change your tire, you need to know how old is your tire. So the expert recommends that you cannot have a tire older than 4 years. So remember, you need to check the DOT next time that you're gonna change your tire. Fact number 2, we're gonna keep talking about the DOT code, and you're gonna find 2 letters, and this code, it means where your tire was made. I'm gonna leave a link down below, and you can enter the code of your tire, and it will tell you where your tire was made. Fact number 3, tire wear. We're gonna talk about tire wear, and there is so many ways that we can check our tire wear. And you can check it with a penny, you can measure your tire, but I'm gonna show you an easy way to do it. Okay, do you see this bar right here? It calls wear limit. Once your tread gets close to the wear limit, you get less grip on the streets. So make sure you don't get close to the wear limit. Fact number 4, tire patch. If you ever get a nail on your tire, the only way to fix it is you can only plug it or patch it. If the nail is on the middle of the tire, not the sides. Last but not least, fact number 5. And this is like us ladies. If we go to the beach, we use sandals. If we go to a party, we use heels. Well, your car too. Depending on the condition where you live, either snow, raining, or depending on the roads where you drive, your tires need different treads. Make sure to go to your mechanic or a tire shop to ask what is the perfect tire for you. And there was 5 facts that you didn't know about your tires. My name is Cindy Calderon, and remember, if you're local here in Orange County, California, we are located on 13642 Euclid Street, inside Shell gas station. And remember, for you ladies, if you want to join us in our exclusive Facebook group, I'm gonna leave the link down below so you can join us. This is Cindy Calderon at Ladies Car Care from Kingdom Auto Repair.